Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about 2024 Apple iPad Pro 11. So let's get started. So first of all, we will talk about this pad body. This pad body weight is 466 gram, glass front, aluminium back, aluminium frame. Display. This pad display is 11-inch, Ultra Retina tandem OLED display. 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus. Display resolution is 1668 into 2420 pixels. Aspect ratio 13.6:9. Cheapest Apple M4 9-core 4 GHz. Memory is 256 GB with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB with 8 GB RAM. OS iPad OS 17.5. This is on latest OS. Rear camera is 12 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. Front camera is 12 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 24, 25, 30 and 60 fps and HD with 25, 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps. And front camera can capture HD with 25 and 30 and 60 fps. Battery backup. This is an interesting part because this pad battery is 8160 mAh battery, so you can get a used battery backup from this pad. And charging system 30 watt charging system. Connectivity 5G, eSIM, Wi-Fi 6, Face ID and good sound system. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.